A lot of people seem to be having trouble getting started on number 7 on the section 4.5 homework, so I thought I'd go through part A. Really, part A just goes back to what we did back in section 2.6. So if you wanted to find the surface area of a box, the top and the bottom of the box, the way they have it labeled in the diagram, each would be x squared. So x squared for the top and x squared for the bottom gives you 2x squared. And each side has a length of x and a width of y, so the area of each side would be x times y. And there's the two sides you see and the two sides opposite them, so there's 4 sides, each of which would be x times y. But they want this as a function of x, so we have to replace that y somehow. So we need to use other information given to us in the problem to come up with an expression for the y, and that other information is the volume. They say that the volume is 7,000. The volume is also the length times the width times the height. The length times the width, they're both x, times the height is y, and if you divide both sides of that equation by x squared, you find that y is 7,000 over x squared, and so you can replace y with 7,000 over x squared. You can then simplify this if you like. For instance, you could multiply the 4 times the 7,000. X over x squared would leave you just with 1x in the denominator, and then once you have that function you can continue on and answer their question about the minimum surface area.